Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this series I will be talking about Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter and the events that are coming up in 2026/2027. But before we start, I've got two trailers that I want to show you. One that was made 1 year ago, which is the main one. One that was made 1 month ago. I'm going to show you the one that I made 1 year ago first. Please
enter, stranger.
Please sit back and enjoy.
Choose.
Just waiting for the adverts to finish. Then we'll get you started, guys.
Enter, stranger, but take heed of what awaits the sin of greed. For those who take but do not earn must pay most dearly in their turn. So if you seek beneath our floors a treasure that was never yours, cease, you have been warned. Beware of finding more than treasure there.
See how filmmakers brought the magic to life. Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter.
The next video is going to be the most recent trailer.
Ever wondered if the magic was real? Well, this is where it was made. You don't watch the films here. You feel them. So come, immerse yourself in the filmmaking magic at Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, the making of Harry Potter.
And then before we start, the cast we're talking about Warner Brothers Studio Tour London.
I got a real treat for you today.
You're a great wizard, Harry.
10 years and 8 feature films. The most successful film series of all time. Now your chance is coming.
Welcome to Hogwarts.
For the first time ever, to go behind the scenes at the studio where it all began.
It's home to us. You know, we were there for 10 years and it was lovely
This was
seeing
in
those amazing
2012.
sets every day.
To step into the actual sets.
It's tiny little details that you probably don't notice when you watch the film, but when you actually walk down it, you can see the work that's gone into it, and it's amazing.
See the real costumes. Marvel at the groundbreaking special effects. As we reveal how the magic was created.
This is incredible. This has been a long time coming, and I'm very excited.
Get ready to visit the UK's newest attraction. Warner Brothers Studio Tour London. The making of Harry Potter. Secrets will be revealed.
Don't ask any more questions. That's top secret.
Opening spring 2012.
It's already open.
Now on sale.
Expecto Patronum!
Wicked.
Okay. So that's that. And basically that was in 2012, and it was obviously it's open now. But obviously not everyone likes Harry Potter, and I get that. Okay, information. What's on? Let's have a look. Okay. The first thing that's on, the main thing, is From the 9th to the 10th of June 2026 is an audience with Warwick Davies, OBE. This summer, we're inviting fans to go back in time and celebrate 25 years of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and what better way to feel the nostalgia than to hear from someone who was there through it all. For 2 nights only, you're invited to enjoy a unique experience at the studio tour as Warwick Davies OBE returns to where it all began 25 years ago. Enjoying an after-hours tour taking in the sets, props, costumes and creatures from the Harry Potter film series. Visitors will enter the world of filmmaking magic before taking their seats in the studio tour's backlot stage and hearing from the man who played Professor Phileas Flitwick and Griphook. Reminiscing on his time on the films, his favourite moments and what the film series meant to him, Warwick Davies will take the stage for a Q&A session revealing more about the magic of the Harry Potter film series, as well as taking questions from the audience. Now, obviously, that is only for 2 nights. I'm just trying to find a video of him. Warwick Davies. Harry Potter scenes. Guests will enjoy an elevated studio tour experience with magical touches such as a misty mocktail or cocktail in the Great Hall, exclusive photo opportunities, including a green screen experience specially curated for souvenirs, a butterbeer tank card to take home, and a souvenir gift guidebook signed by Warwick Davies. So, you should arrive with registration at the studio tour at 5:30. The first tour begins at 5:45. You will get a misty mocktail or cocktail in the Great Hall and explore the studio tour at 5:55. The Backlot Cafe will open for food purchase at 7:15. Q&A with Warwick Davies begins in Backlot stage at 8 p.m. Q&A ends and guests leave to enjoy the remainder of the tour at 10 p.m. and the event ends at 11 p.m. Okay, so I got a little video of Warwick Davies as Griphook, the return of Griphook. So please sit back and enjoy the little film.
I've played some wonderful characters throughout the whole series of films.
Wish and flick. Everyone?
In the first film, I played Professor Flitwick and also the Goblin Bank Teller.
Does Mr. Harry Potter have his key?
And then, as the films have gone on again, I played Flitwick, and now in the final film, I'm able to play Griphook as well. The role of Griphook was something that I always had at the back of my... Love that character. There is no place safer than Gringotts. No! Griphook has so much more depth to him that I've ever been able to get into my work as Professor Flitwick. And so I went in and read from David Yates and our casting director and gave him a best shot. David left a message to tell me that I had the part. And it was funny, I was sort of in shock. I just sat there for a minute and was like, great, okay, here we go, the journey commences. Better, because I haven't had a chance to suss it out properly then. That's why I wanted, yeah. I suppose I'm stretching my acting muscles a little bit farther than I have been able to in previous films. Because he's a very much darker character and quite a multi-layered character.
What we're going to do is we're going to put a ball cap on you, and Adrian's going to do that, and he'll be the nose man, so he's going to watch your nose at all times. And we'll ask you all the way through it if you're okay, and it's thumbs up, not too high, because of...
What signals like if I want that I'm thirsty? The makeup is obviously a very important part of what I do and the creation of that character. It's not just down to me, it's a team effort to bring him to the screen.
We're doing a makeup test on Warwick Davies because he's all we could get at short notice. And for Griphook.
With Griphook, we looked at what we did on the first picture with the film Troy, and he had a particular look. So we took that look and we transposed that look onto Warwick.
Contrary to popular belief, I don't look like a goblin in real life. So without all of this and without these two here and all the other people that go to put the makeups together, I wouldn't be able to do the work that I do because I don't look right. I'm too good looking.
Makeup is only so good up to the point where a guy's got to operate it with his facial muscles and work through it and everything.
It's for example, I know my own face, so I know, if I raise an eyebrow, how that looks basically. But on the character makeups, you have to learn kind of how much of an eyebrow raise you have to do for it actually to read and register as an eyebrow raise on the character's makeup, for example. So that's kind of what I'm still learning about it.
When you get somebody who really can use a makeup, can perform it, your work just improves and improves and improves. And so I've been very fortunate working with Warrick.
It is important you don't rely on the makeup. You've got to find that character within you. But then to have gone through 3 hours of makeup and then stand in front of the mirror and see yourself transform, it's a wonderful feeling. And I feel very privileged to be able to kind of portray these characters that I have in these films. Hello! Ready for the office?
Okay, well that's the end of this video of Warrick Davies. Next video I'll be talking to you about what's next on after that, which will be the first year at Hogwarts opening night. So obviously the opening night. And also in that video I'll be doing the first year at Hogwarts one. See you then.